Go ahead and get into a comfortable seated position. Focus on the flames on your screen. Now, take a long, deep breath for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue breathing this way and focusing on the fire. Allow every worry, every task, and every negative thought to burn away. Push them aside for now, so you let each of them dissipate into the flame. Every bad thought, every fear, every worry. As you sit before the blaze, you hear a voice saying, "Today I am warmth. Today I am light. Today I am fire." The voice repeats over and over. Today I am warmth. Today I am light. Today I am fire. As the voice continues, see how the flickering fire holds both peace and passion. Today I am warmth. Today I am light. Today I am fire. Slowly, your eyes still on the fire, you realize that the voice is within you. You open your mouth and speak out loud. Today I am warmth. Today I am light. Today I am fire. You are now ready to burn bright once more.